Thank you for being so patient.
Okay, go ahead, Aryela.
Let me know what it says.
Oh, really? Oh, congrats, man. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's stuck in between.
Oh, totally.
$5 pull Lucario and then mystery pack. Which one do you want? This one or this one? You want see the Lucario, whatever Lucario said. All right, that looks cool. Okay, go 4 more times. Mystery pack, Eevee. Whoa. 3 more. Blastoise $5 pull bin. Whoa. Slab / big hit. Oh, you can pick any one of these. Okay. Grab it. Whoa. Holiday Delibird. Look, it's Christmas. Mystery pack Ash.
Good job. Thank you guys.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. All right. Look at all this stuff, Aryela.